What's up, guys? This is the first night of a 9 or 10 day kind of backpack bear hunt. We got a few rips. We're going in with 4 days of food. Backpacking up on this ridge. We're gonna get up there tomorrow morning. We just put down a few miles, but gonna go through my gear. Start out with what I'm wearing here. I'm running a marsupial Bino harness and have some Leica Geovid Pros. And my ballistics on there, and also have it linked to my Kestrel, which carrying my Kestrel 5700 Elite on this side, so I have dope there and there. And I'm ultra backup this time. I'm running a Leica rangefinder as well that I'm testing out. So I have dope in 3 places, which is a little more than I probably need. But on my body, running a Go Hunt Merino, Stone Glacier de Havilland lights, and then some Kenetrek Bridgers, I think they are. Onto my pack. Outside, always got the Crazy Creek chair, so we're comfortable anytime we're glassing, eating food. On the outside over here, this is my new rifle. It's a 6.5 Creedmoor, built by Short Action Customs. It's a real quick Able suppressor proof Sendero carbon barrel. Defiance Ruckus. This is a full tactical Ruckus. This is a Macmillan Mountain Tracker Night Force 4-16 bubble level from Flatline Ops and American Rifle Code rings. And this is one of the original Mountain Gear bipods before MDT got them. Still works great, and I think they've refined them, made them a little bit better. So I'm excited to run that on this hunt. Pack is a Stone Glacier Sky 5900, old trusty. I've been in hunt videos and stuff for about 5 years. This thing's been super reliable for me. And the lid, carrying a little bit of extra audio stuff for filming. This is the new Go Hunt, I believe it's the Atmosphere jacket. It's my favorite new, it's the active insulation, and man, I run this thing every day. I'm excited to run it on a hunt. This is my first real hunt to run it. This is my essentials kit. I got just about everything in here. Go Hunt little compression sack, or not a compression sack, just stuff sack. Got a tourniquet and some leukotape. This is the bulk of my med kit, in addition to some pills, some ibuprofen and Excedrin, that type of stuff. Always got some electrical tape. Fire starter, lighter. There's all kind of the essentials. A few plackers for the teeth, toothbrush, all that. Nothing too crazy in there. This is kind of my electronics setup. This is from Amazon. It has every type of USB and a cord adapter for your iPhone stuff, the old Lightning, that for the ones that aren't USB-C. This is my inflator for my sleeping pad, and then my battery pack. This is just an Amazon special. Pretty cheap, but those things have held up really well for me. Running the Go Hunt ammo wallet. This is kind of a nice little place for me to get organized. I got 10 extra rounds, and then all my hunting licenses and tags. We got 2 bear tags and wolf tag. So pretty excited about that. I think that's all that I got on there. I'll pop this guy out of the way. In this pocket, got the toiletry kit with some of the Dude wipes, little wipes. I like running those things. Here's my water filtration. This is a HydroPack 2-liter with the bee-free, I think it's a Katadyn bee-free filter that screws right on there, and that's how I like to filter my water. This is one of the Silky Saw Pocket Boys. We run this thing all the time, just in case we gotta cut something. If a trekking pole breaks, we're running trekking pole shelter. So if we do need to cut a stick for our shelter, we have that. Or if we have to build a fire, whatever, it's really handy to have. A little bit of guy out wire for tarps or tents or anything, and then some of the Stone Glacier Merino gloves in there. Pop into the main bag. So it's pretty dang hot today, but when we get up top, there's going to be some snow. So we took my gaiters with me. I got the Peaks gaiters. This is my stove kit that I've been running for about a year now. I believe it's the Fire Maple Petrol cook pot. And then inside there, I got MSR salt and pepper shaker. I got a lighter, an old school fold up REI little spork, and then I'm running the Soto Windmaster stove, and this setup works really good with the heat exchanger on the bottom of this thing, and I got my fuel canister in there. This is a really great setup for as small as it is, and it's pretty darn efficient. I love running these HDPE water bottles that are 48 ounces. I don't think this one's HDPE, but I typically don't run Camel back. I just like to have the tall Nalgene's. Those work really well for me. Spotter, I am running the Leica 65 Televid. This is the APO, and I'm running the all-in Digiscope adapter on there with my phone that just magnets on there. Tent, Durston X-Men Pro 1 Dyneema double trekking pole shelter. It's got super lightweight. It's right at a pound. It fully zips up. There's a ton of bugs out here right now, and I'm stoked to have this instead of just a tarp because I'm able to completely seal myself off from the bugs. Super light. It has 2 vestibules, so I could throw all my gear in one vestibule and go in and out on the other. So favorite tent that I've personally ever used. I do have the Go Hunt tarp in case it does start to rain on us, and if we're out glassing, then we can all take shelter under there. I had some extra guy lines on there. Again, Dyneema, super light. It's got stakes in there as well. Clothing, I'm running the Stone Glacier bottoms for the rain gear. This is their normal, I forget the name of them. You can probably put that on there, but that's just the normal weight rain gear. Run Stone Glacier puffy pants, the Grumman pants for insulation, and then I also have the Grumman, the normal Grumman Stone Glacier jacket for my puffy layer. I'm also running Stone Glacier's quilt, and so not sure how cold it's going to get. It's pretty hot during the day, but I elected to take the quilt, and then if it does get extra cold, then I can put my puffies on at night to supplement it all. In case I do get cold, I tend to sleep a little bit chilly. To help with that, I got the Thermarest. What is this thing called? X-Therms. This is the older version of the X-Therm, but super warm, giant R value, and that helps me stay a lot warmer. Other piece of my rain gear, this is lightweight Stone Glacier, the new lightweight one on the rain gear. And I think that's about it for gear inside there. This is one of my food bags. I got 4 days worth of food with me. 1 Peaks freeze-dried meal. I always carry 2 ramens, and then a variety of snacks. I like to go to Wenco, and I get it's different every time I make my own trail mix. I got some the Jif peanut butter packets. New thing I'm excited to try this time. These are Alpine Start. I got them from REI, but it's a matcha kind of a coffee thing. There's another one that's a latte. I got a variety pack of those things, so I'm excited to try some coffee on this trip. We're gonna have some long days. We're coming up on the summer solstice, so there's a lot of time to kill during the day. So I got some coffee to make. That's the bulk of all that. I always hide extra snacks down at the bottom in case I go through all my food and we're doing a pack out and I'm out of food. Well, I always hide some snacks down there at the bottom. And then those are the ones that I don't touch unless I need them. Sport beans, go to. Those are my favorite things that really pick me up when I'm not feeling great. So there's 2 things of those, and then some goos and other stuff. Last thing is my Really Right Stuff Ascend 14L. This is the long version. I can glass standing with it. You can take off this bottom section. I just left it on so I can get all the flexibility out of it. Normally on a back on, I'd take that off. I decided to take it this time, and I'm running the Anvil 30 head on top. So everything, binos goes on top of that spotter, and my gun clamps in on that either with the pick or the Arca. So a couple other things I know I got over on the side. We got some of these honey little cough drops, something to suck on when water's running low. I'm just trying to keep the mouth wet. Got a Garmin InReach, talk with the wife. I am running a full extra mag right now. One thing, I decided to build this rifle with more of a match style bottom metal, so the mag release is pretty big and it can get caught on something. So in case I do lose a magazine, I have a full extra 5-round mag with rounds in it ready to go on my hip belt. And that might be kind of inefficient for hunting, but that's just the way I decided to build that rifle. And then on this side, I always have it on my left side is my headlamp. It's a black diamond rechargeable. This is USB-C and it's got red and whatever. Pretty lightweight, but it lasts a pretty long time. So gonna break that out pretty soon here because we're gonna set up camp and eat dinner. So looking forward to the hunt. Hopefully we have some great bear hunting content coming up for you guys, and thanks for watching.